Bore da, a chroeso I Prifysgol Wrecsam, ac I Seremoni raddio y Prifysgol. Y chweched o 7 seremoni i'w chynnal dros 3 diwrnod. Welcome to Wrexham University and to the university's graduation ceremony, the 6th of 7 ceremonies to be held over 3 days. Y mae 2 ran i'r seremoni sy'n cael ei alw yn gynulliad y Brifysgol. Yn rhan gyntaf y cynulliad, byddwn yn derbyn yn gymrodorion anrhydeddus unigolion a ystyrir yn deilwng o'r anrhydedd yma. Yn ail hanner y seremoni, byddwn yn cyflwyno tystysgrifau, diplomau a graddau. There are 2 parts to this ceremony, known as the congregation of the university. In the first part, we will receive as honorary fellows individuals who have been judged worthy of this honour. In the second part of the ceremony, we will be presenting certificates, diplomas and degrees. Wel, mae nawr yn rhoi pleser mawr I mi wahodd Colin Jackson, canghellor Prifysgol Wrecsam, I agor y seremoni y bore yma. It gives me great pleasure to invite Colin Jackson, Chancellor of Wrexham University, to open the ceremony.
Distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, graduates, bore da. For many of you, today's ceremony is the official end of your studies at Wrexham University and is marked by these formal proceedings known as a congregation. The reasons for this congregation is so that degrees can be conferred, honorary fellowships awarded, and other business which concerns the university to be transacted. And so, by the authority given me by the university, it gives me great pleasure to open this congregation of Wrexham University and University of Chester. And I'd like to ask that the university proclamation to be read.
Hyder trwy addysg. Bydded hysbys I aelodau'r Brifysgol ac I bawb sydd yn bresennol. Y cynhelir heddiw ar y dyddiad hwn, Dydd Gwener, yr 11 ar 20 o Fai 2024, yma yn Ninas Wrecsam. Gynulliad awdurdodedig o Brifysgol Wrecsam a Phrifysgol Caer I dderbyn yn gymrodorion anrhydeddus unigolion teilwng sydd trwy ei gweithredoedd wedi profi ei hunain yn deilwng o barch yn y gymdeithas academaidd. Derbynir i'w gwobrau hefyd unigolion sydd trwy efrydiaeth yn y Brifysgol a thrwy ddisg, medr a dyfalbarhad, wedi teilyngu'r cyfryw raddau yn unol ag ordeiniadau'r Brifysgol. Gyda phob gweddi a dymuniad, ar iddynt fwynhau iechyd a hir hoedl, I wasanaethu eu hoes a'i cenedl dan fendith y nef. Yna, dy oleuni a gyfyd mewn tywyllwch. Ath dywyllwch a fydd fel hanner dydd. A rhai a fyddant ohono ti a adeiladant yr hen ddiffydd Y mae digonedd o air ac o emau, ond geiriau deallus yw'r trysor gwerthfawrocaf. Hyder trwy addysg. Confidence through education. Be it known to members of the university and to all here present that an authorised congregation of Wrexham University and the University of Chester is being held here in the city of Wrexham. This day, Friday, 31st of May, 2024, to receive as honorary fellows worthy persons who, through their actions and deeds, have shown themselves to be worthy of the respect of the academic community. In addition, those who have, through study at the university and through learning, ability and perseverance, been deemed worthy of university awards in accordance with the ordinances of the university will be admitted to their appropriate degrees, in the hope that they may be given health and long life to serve their country under the blessing of heaven. Then shall thy light rise in obscurity, and thy darkness be as the noonday. And they that shall be of thee shall build the old waste places. There is gold and a multitude of rubies, but the lips of knowledge are a precious jewel. Wel, mae nawr yn bleser gen I alw ar Dylan Jones I gyflwyno Mark Lewis Jones am gymrodoriaeth anrhydeddus. It now gives me pleasure to call upon Dylan Jones to present Mark Lewis Jones for an honorary fellowship.
I have the very great pleasure of presenting Mark Lewis Jones for the award of Honorary Fellow of the University of Wrexham. Mark was born in 1964 in Rhos-Llanelchrigoch, Wrexham, where his family currently resides. He is a fluent Welsh speaker and attended Ysgol y Rhos and Ysgol Morgan Llwyd, Wrexham. He caught the acting bug as a teenager when he acted with the Clwyd Youth Theatre. He went on to train at the Royal Welsh College of Music and Drama, from which he graduated in 1986. His illustrious career has spanned stage acting with the Royal Shakespeare Company and at the Globe Theatre in London, as well as roles on TV and in huge blockbuster movies. His extensive television work includes appearances on Waking the Dead, Jason and the Argonauts, Chernobyl, The Good Liar, and The Passing, for which he received the Best Actor Award at the Welsh BAFTAs in 2016. He played Welsh tutor Dr. Edward Millward in an episode of The Crown, detailing Prince Charles's time in Aberystwyth. And in 2018, he starred in Netflix Apostle, opposite Michael Sheen. His acting skills have been flexed in a large number of homegrown dramas, notably Stella, in which he played the character of Rob Morgan, the ex of Stella, played by Ruth Jones. You may also have seen him in Game of Thrones, Hidden, Hinterland, Baker Boys, Merlin, A Priest, Byw Celwydd, and Torchwood, and more recently in the hit Netflix show Baby Reindeer, where he played the father of the main character to wide critical acclaim. His two most renowned appearances in large-budget Hollywood movies were as Hog the Whaler in Master and Commander, The Far Side of the World alongside Russell Crowe, and in Phantom of the Opera with Mark Rylance. He also, of course, has a credit for acting in Star Wars, the role of Captain Kennedy in Star Wars Episode 8. As if his prolific acting career didn't keep him busy enough, Mark is also a keen runner, regularly fundraising for charity. He participated in Marathon des Sables, and he competed in his first Ironman in 2023 in Tenby. He works extensively in both English and Welsh languages, and now lives in Cardiff with his wife Gwener. He has 4 sons, Thomas, Barnaby, Alfie, and Jacob. Mark has maintained close contact with Rhys since he left in 1983, and all his immediate family and many childhood friends still live in the village. And so, in recognition of his outstanding contribution to theatre and the performing arts, it is with great pleasure that I present Mark Lewis Jones, son of this place, for admission to our highest honour of Honorary Fellowship of Wrexham University.
Thank you very much. Diolch yn fawr iawn, Prifysgol Wrexham. This is an incredibly special day for me. As was said, I was born in Rhys. My family all still live there. I have my closest friends all still living there, and I have nieces there. I have some wonderful people with me today. My wife is here, her parents, my dad is here, and an old friend. And as was read out then, I went to school in Rhys, and then I went to Morgan Llwyd in Wrexham. And it was there really that something happened that completely changed the course of my life. There was a teacher there called Gwawr Mason. She later became Gwawr Davies. And one day, when I was 16 and had no direction, had absolutely no idea what I wanted to do with my life, she came to me and she said, "Will you be in our next show?" Now, I come from a family that has absolute zero connection to the arts. But she intervened in my life. I don't think she was just recruiting. She actually intervened. It was an act of intervention. And for some reason that day, when she asked me would I be in the show, I said, yeah, okay. And that moment, as tiny as it was, completely changed my life. And somewhere inside of me, a flame was lit. And one thing led to another. I did that show. Of course, it could have turned out I might have agreed to do that show and then decided, you know what, this is not for me. But the opposite happened, and a flame was lit. And something inside, I found this, some kind of untapped power. And as I said, I don't come from that world. Nobody prior to that moment would have guessed that I would be here tonight, today with you. And I went on and did some work with the youth theatre, as was mentioned, very good youth theatre in Mould. And I'm having a sense of déjà vu here because I performed, one of the very first public performances I ever did was on this stage. And I played Vincent van Gogh in a dance piece to the music of Don McLean. I was much younger, much lighter, and much more bendy in those days. But I absolutely loved it, and I owe everything to Gwawr, absolutely everything, because she stepped out of her normal role and took this opportunity to intervene, and I wasn't the only one. Working class kids like me, she helped. And she instilled in me this sense of hope. And when I look at your faces, I always find it incredibly moving when I look at you people today who are about to leave the education system and enter the world, and I see a sea of hope. And I have children who are been through the education system, and two of them went through. They're about your age. One is still in university, one has just left. And they went through the system the same period you have. So I know the difficulties with COVID and post-COVID that have been presented to you. So I salute you. You've already shown huge strength to come through what you've come through to land here today. And congratulations, llongyfarchiadau bob un ohonoch chi. It's absolutely wonderful to be with you today. It means the world to me, especially being here in Wrexham, my hometown, Prifysgol, where I was born, and here where I was educated. I'm so grateful to this university, this young university, that I am now part of the family. And I can tell you today that I will do everything I can to help this university and remain a part of it for the rest of my life. I'm sure there was a lot more I wanted to say, but I just want to wish you all the very best and deep congratulations to every single one of you. You look absolutely wonderful. And please look after yourselves, and more than anything in the world, have fun. Diolch yn fawr.
Wel, mae nawr yn bleser gen i alw ar Natalie Edwards i gyflwyno Neil Thompson am gymrodoriaeth anrhydeddus. It now gives me pleasure to call upon Natalie Edwards to present Neil Thompson for an honorary fellowship.
It is my pleasure to present Neil Thompson for the award of Honorary Fellow of Wrexham University. Neil Thompson is a fluent Welsh speaker and freelance consultant who has worked in the live music industry for the past 20 years. He is the Artistic Director of Llangollen Fringe Festival and co-founder of Focus Wales, an annual international showcase festival and conference held in Wrexham. Now, in its 12th year, Focus Wales hosts over 250 live acts and 400 plus music industry professionals from across the globe and welcomes 20,000 festival goers to the city centre each year. Since its launch in 2011, Focus Wales has gone from a single conference panel event with a sprinkling of live shows to being categorised by the Welsh Government as a signature event for Wales. That means it's an event that is representative of Welsh culture and identity. It is also an event which makes a significant economic contribution to the city of Wrexham, where it has taken place since its outset. Neil is an advocate for the arts and is also a founding member of the Events Industry Wales Advisory Group, which was set up in 2020 to represent the interests of live music and cultural events directly to the Welsh Government. In recognition of his outstanding contribution to Wrexham and the local economy, it is my great pleasure to present Neil Thompson for admission to our highest honour of Honorary Fellowship of Wrexham University.
Diolch yn fawr iawn am y geiriau caredig, Natalie. Thank you to Natalie for the very kind words. Also like to thank you for letting me go on after the acclaimed Hollywood actor Mark Lewis-Jones. Mae'n fraint I mi cael ymuno â chi gyd heddiw, ac yn enwedig I gael rhannu'r achlysur arbennig yma gyda chi y myrfyrwyr sy'n raddio, ac hefyd gyda fy nheulu'n agos o Iwerddon a Cymru sydd I ymuno fi heddiw. It is an honour for me to be able to join you all today, and especially to be able to share this special occasion with you, the students graduating today, and my close family from Ireland and Wales. I'd like to extend my sincere gratitude to Natalie Edwards and Steffan Owens for my nomination, and also to Maria Hinflar for inviting me to be a fellow. This recognition also shares the shared contributions made by my colleagues Andy Jones and Sarah Jones to music, the community, and the Welsh language. To the graduating students, congratulations on your significant achievement. Completing your studies is no small feat, and it is a milestone that marks the beginning of your life journey. Wrexham and Wales are diverse communities, rich in culture and heritage. We are international in our outlook and keen to foster an environment where everyone can contribute to the cultural mosaic that defines us. Our community is not just a place, it is a living, evolving tapestry woven from the contributions of each individual. Through our work with Focus Wales, I have had the privilege of witnessing the power of culture in bringing people together. The festival is more than an event, it is a demonstration of what we can achieve collectively. It represents our commitment to sharing Welsh culture with the world and highlights the importance of every individual's role in this endeavour. Culture is not a static artefact, it is a dynamic and ever-changing, shaped by the contributions of each member of the community. As you, the new graduates, step into the next phase of your lives, remember that you are integral to this ongoing journey. Your ideas, your creativity, and your efforts will continue to shape and enrich our cultural landscape. We are all on this journey together. The work we do as a community is what makes Wrexham and Wales so special. It is our collective effort that creates a vibrant, welcoming, and culturally rich environment. Your achievements and future contributions will continue to build on this legacy. Thank you once again for this honour.
Bydded hysbys I aelodau'r Brifysgol ac I bawb sydd yn bresennol. Fod y Brifysgol wedi rhoddi'r awdurdod i'r athro Maria Hinflar I dderbyn i'w graddau fyfyrwyr Prifysgol Wrecsam a enillodd raddau yn unol â rheolau'r Brifysgol. Gwelir enwau'r rhai y gellir ei derbyn i'w graddau yn y cynulliad hwn yn y rhestr prientiedig sydd wedi ei ddosbarthu. Let it be known to members of the university and to all who are present that the university has granted authority to Professor Maria Hinfela to admit to their degrees students of Wrexham University who have qualified for degrees according to the regulations of the university. The names of those who may be admitted to their degrees in this congregation are to be seen on the printed lists that have been distributed today. Anrhydeddus is-ganghellor. Cyflwynaf i chi y myfyrwyr hyn o Brifysgol Wrecsam i'w graddau, diplomau a'i tystysgrifau priodol. Honourable Vice-Chancellor, I present to you these students from Wrexham University to their respective certificates, diplomas and degrees. Doethir mewn athroniaeth. Doctor of Philosophy. Teitl y thesis. Beth wnaeth y gwahaniaeth i ddynion yn ei harddegau a brofodd ymyriad preswyl therapiwtig ar gyfer ymddygiad rhywiol niweidiol. Thesis title. What made the difference for adolescent males who experienced a therapeutic residential intervention for harmful sexualized behaviour? Kevin Nicholas Gallagher. Baglwr yn y celfyddydau anrhydedd mewn Gwaith Cymdeithasol, statws cymwysiedig, Bachelor of Arts Honours, Social Work, Qualified Status.
Stephanie Loftus, Sioned Alice Gaither, Sian Kelly Topasna. Shelley Griffiths, Rhian Wyn Roberts, Naomi Midgley. Leanne Marie Davenport, Leanne Mary Duncalf, Kevin Walter Andrew Turner. Katie Victoria Bradbury, Danielle Thomas, India Cruz. Hayley Liza Berry, Hannah Charley, Eileen Allington. Colette Scott, Charlotte Rose Rafferty, Kerry Frost. Alan Pretzel.
Baglor yn y celfyddydau anghenion dysgu ychwanegol, anghenion addysgol arbennig ac anabledd. Bachelor of Arts, Additional Learning Needs, Special Educational Needs and Disability.
Nicola Gemma Mary Storer.
Baglor yn y celfyddydau anrhydedd, Plentyndod, Lles ac Addysg. Bachelor of Arts Honours, Childhood Welfare and Education.
Lauren Elizabeth Howell.
Baglor yn y celfyddydau anrhydedd, Plentyndod, Llesiant ac Addysg, Bachelor of Arts Honours, Childhood Welfare and Education.
Emma Victoria Green, Emma Jones. Debbie Struck. Courtney Kerry Crawford, Chloe Ellen Andrews, Cecilia Ruth Howman. Mashenka Croft, Megan Andrew, Paidemoyo Mutakani. Pamela Ann Weaver.
Baglor yn y celfyddydau anrhydedd, Troseddeg a Chyfiawnder Troseddol. Bachelor of Arts Honours, Criminology and Criminal Justice.
Zoe Jones, Yasmin Floyd, Willow Lena May Morris. Tanya Jones, Rosie Leanne Jones, Rebecca Jane Carr. Macy Stevens, Lisa Jane Rutter, Lindsay Jane Lund. Kimberly Mathias, James Lee Buckley Tomlinson, Gemma Louise Collins. Emily Shirella, Tabitha Roberts, Debbie Walker, Chelsea McClure. Carrie-Anne Clayton, Catherine Morgan, Anna Dootson. Kyle Burke, Kimberly Anita Molyneux.
Baglor yn y Celfyddydau Anrhydedd, Addysg, Bachelor of Arts, Honours, Education.
Molly Beth Wright, Isabel Rees, Alan Jack Leonard Ashton.
Baglor yn y Celfyddydau Anrhydedd, Addysg, Anghenion Dysgu Ychwanegol, Anghenion Addysgol Arbennig, Bachelor of Arts Honours, Education, Additional Learning Needs, Special Educational Needs.
Martine Crouch.
Baglor yn y Celfyddydau Anrhydedd, Plismona Proffesiynol, Bachelor of Science Honours, Professional Policing.
William Bengal, William Anthony Smith, Maggie May. Katie Bell, Courtney Marie Jones, Connor Bowden. Charlotte Messiter.
Baglor yn y Celfyddydau Anrhydedd, Lles Cymdeithasol, Bachelor of Arts Honours, Social Welfare.
Kelly Oxtooby.
Baglor yn y Celfyddydau Anrhydedd, Gofal Plant Therapeutic, Bachelor of Arts Honours, Therapeutic Childcare.
Samantha Woodburn, Katie Oram, Jonathan Mark Bartlett. Anjali Rankine, Veena Wrangler.
Baglor yn y celfyddydau anrhydedd gyda chymhwyster gwaith ieuenctid a chymunedol yn ymgorffori cymhwyster a gydnabyddir gan JNC. Bachelor of Arts Honours with JNC qualification, Youth and Community Work, incorporating a JNC recognised qualification.
Phoebe Woodward, Emily May Jones.
Baglor yn y celfyddydau anrhydedd gyda statws athro cymwysiedig, Bachelor of Arts Honours with Qualified Teacher Status.
Leanne Mary Preston, Lauren Margaret Lewis.
Baglor yn y celfyddydau anrhydedd, gweithio gyda phlant a theuluoedd, Bachelor of Arts Honours, working with children and families.
Susan Barter, Stacey Lee Jones, Sally Jane Bolton. Ruth Alexandra Jones, Lauren Jones, Kirsty Davis. James Philip Davis, Heather Griffiths, Georgia Ann Lewis. Emily Thomas, Elan Coleman.
Baglor yn y celfyddydau, anghenion dysgu ychwanegol, anghenion addysgol arbennig, Bachelor of Arts, Additional Learning Needs, Special Educational Needs.
Rebecca Linda Carol Jones.
Baglor yn y celfyddydau, gwaith ieuenctid a chymunedol, Bachelor of Arts, Youth and Community Work.
Shannon Roberts.
Baglor mewn gwyddoniaeth anrhydedd, ymddygiad anifeiliaid a lles a chadwraeth. Bachelor of Science Honours, Animal Behaviour, Welfare and Conservation.
Tony Miniski, Lucy Amy Williams, Eleanor Reid.
Baglor mewn gwyddoniaeth anrhydedd, ymddygiad anifeiliaid, lles a gwyddor cadwraeth. Bachelor of Science Honours, Animal Behaviour, Welfare and Conservation Science.
Julie Ann Jones, Gemma Hewitt.
Baglor mewn gwyddoniaeth anrhydedd, gwyddor a rheoli lles ceffylau. Bachelor of Science Honours, Equine Science and Welfare Management.
Julie Ann Wilson.
Tystysgrif addysg, addysg a hyfforddiant ôl-orfodol, Certificate in Education, Post-Compulsory Education and Training.
Granton Evans.
Diploma addysg uwch mewn Cwnsela, Diploma of Higher Education in Counselling.
Lucy Hughes, Laura Schoen, Kay Louise Price. Katie Underwood, Jennifer Anika Smythe, Claire Johnson. Ennis Evans.
Gradd sylfaen mewn cymorth dysgu celfyddydau. Foundation degree in Arts Learning Support.
Rachel Louise Mills, Michelle Lewis Hollins, Kaylee Michelle Thomas. Kathleen Ann Davis, Annalise Wong.
Gradd sylfaen mewn gwyddoniaeth, ymddygiad anifeiliaid cymhwysol, lles a chadwraeth. Foundation degree in Science, Applied Animal Behaviour, Welfare and Conservation.
Rebecca Wynne.
Wel, hoffwn yn awr wahodd yr is-ganghellor I roi ei hanherchiad y bore yma. I would now like to invite the Vice-Chancellor to give her address.
Chancellor, graduating students, parents, spouses, children, friends, colleagues, honorary fellows, members of the Board of Governors, ladies and gentlemen. Bore da. Good morning. It gives me great pleasure to welcome you most warmly to today's award ceremonies at Wrexham University on what is a very special day for everyone assembled today, whether you're here in person or watching on the live stream wherever you are in the world. Gaining a university degree is one of the highest personal achievements. It's a test of stamina, commitment, intellectual rigor and ability, and as we heard earlier today, it's also about lighting that flame and real curiosity and really getting that motivation to pursue a particular direction. You should be extremely proud. You've worked hard. You've made the most of the opportunity of a university education. So on behalf of all the staff and the governors of our university, I'd like to again say congratulations, and well done. Graduation ceremonies are the highlight of the year for us, symbolizing the values which we stand for at Wrexham University. A degree is a valuable asset. It is yours as of today and will remain yours forever. It marks an investment which you've personally made in your future. It marks your achievements, and these are now being rewarded. There will be others who have no doubt also contributed to your personal achievements. This will include your close family and friends, and they deserve your thanks. No matter how much individual talent you have, very few people can thrive unless they have a supportive environment around them. Our thanks also include all the academic and professional services staff who've helped and supported you throughout your time here at Wrexham University. You will now have a university qualification on your CV, which is a passport to future employment or study in your chosen field. It is proof, it is conclusive evidence that you have acquired relevant knowledge, skills, and competencies. You are now an expert in your subject. It'll be important to keep stretching yourself. Perform to high standards. Be open to learning new things, and stay curious so you remain at the forefront of your field. Yes, you have graduated, but you may not have all the answers yet. Nobody does. But wherever your career takes you, your degree will always stand you in good stead, and you'll be able to face up to whatever challenges or opportunities life will bring. You will now be part of a growing community of Wrexham University alumni. Thousands of students study in Wrexham every year, from the UK, but also from other parts of Europe, from Asia or African countries. On top of that, we have thousands of students outside Wrexham with partner colleges spread around the world or online, for instance in Hong Kong, Singapore, Sri Lanka, China, and the Middle East. So the university has grown in recent years. We now have around 12,000 enrolments in the UK and abroad. So that makes your qualification truly global as well. And as we all know, Wrexham as a place is increasingly a pretty famous global brand. Now that's good news for the university, but it is especially good news for you. Because these days, everybody knows where Wrexham is on the map, so everybody will understand you picked up your qualification from Wrexham University, which is a famous place, and that will surely help you as well. To quote the theme for this year's graduations, embark on the adventure tomorrow, celebrate the journey today. In fact, you are already on that journey of the next chapter in your lives, because it may have been a while since you completed those exams or submitted those assignments. And as you will discover today, we really want to know how you are getting on. I believe we have various colleagues from marketing who are going around asking questions such as, how do you look back on your time here? Where are you now? What about in 3 years' time? And what is going to be the best part of today, the celebrations? So don't be shy. Let us know what you are thinking and what you are doing. And the graduations festival after the ceremony this morning will obviously not only be about asking you more questions or taking the photos, but it is a celebration. There'll be entertainment, there'll be some drinks, food, etc., and there'll be things to do for children as well. So at this session this morning, we are marking the achievements of our graduates in education, criminal justice, social work, counselling, and animal studies programs, all represented here this morning. So this is a very wide range of expertise and professions in fields which really matter to our community, whether it is schools, the legal system, community centres, veterinary practices. This is where you will now be progressing your careers, and you will be truly contributing to the fabric of our society. This is what matters, and where you can, and no doubt will, make a difference. As you may have noticed, at Wrexham University, we also haven't stood still since you finished your studies. We've continued to invest in our facilities under our £80 million campus master plan. We've completed the next phase of our Health Education Innovation Quarter with state-of-the-art spaces for our nursing and allied health students. We have upgraded some studio spaces for our art students at Regent Street. We're about to open a new Cyber Innovation Academy, which will benefit our students who want to find out more about cybersecurity, which is ever more important in today's world, but also will open up these facilities to local organizations that want to train up their staff. We have a major construction project here on site and in St Asaph to build the new Enterprise Engineering and Optics Centre, with almost £12 million funding from the North Wales Growth Deal. And we continue to improve all our existing facilities, slowly but surely, corridor by corridor. We now have lovely social and collaborative study spaces on all our campuses, where students can spend time outside class. We're putting in place a brand new Wi-Fi network over the summer, and there's much more to come. We'll have a new home for our wonderful Students' Union. That'll be coming on stream as well. So these are exciting times, and Wrexham University is definitely standing out amongst our other higher education providers and our peers when it comes to capital investment happening right now. We need to think about the future needs of our students and our community. But finally, back to today and your future success. I wish you all the best in your future careers, and once again, you deserve it. You have the ability and the confidence. But today is about enjoying the moment and the celebration, so make sure you do that. So to finish, I wish you pob lwc, iechyd a hapusrwydd dda. Good luck, happiness and good health. Thank you very much. Diolch yn fawr.
Wel, hoffwn yn awr wahodd llywydd undeb y myfyrwyr I ddweud ychydig o eiriau bore yma. I'd now like to invite the President of the Students' Union to say a few words this morning.
Bore da, good morning. It is an honour and a privilege to be sharing these celebrations with you today. I know all too well the work that you have had to put in to be sat here today, but you've done it. All of you are strong individuals and should be really proud of what you have achieved, but I would like to acknowledge the support networks you have around you. May I ask all of the graduands to please stand. Please join me in cheering and clapping to thank friends, family, staff, and those who cannot be with us today for all of the support they have given over the past few years. Thank you, you may be seated. This year, your Students' Union have celebrated fantastic results from the National Student Survey. We were ranked #1 in Wales for Students' Union and Student Voice. We celebrated winning Campaign of the Year at the National Union of Students Awards for our Help Your Shelf campaign, which is in response to the cost of living crisis that we are all facing. We have celebrated sports teams being promoted and a record number of students accessing our services and attending our events. And today, we round the year off by celebrating you. It is an exciting time when you come to the end of your studies and receive your degrees, but it can also feel daunting. However, your university will still be here for you. Your journey with us does not end here. There are many ways you can access support and guidance well after you have graduated. And of course, we want you to come back, work with us, and tell us all about your achievements in life. We want to continue this journey of celebration with you. When I came to searching for a university to study at, I wanted a university where the course was ranked highly for the quality of its teaching. Wrexham University was #1 in the UK for my particular subject. I wanted an institution where I wasn't just a number, and a place where I felt valued and supported. Wrexham University certainly delivered on that. And I am sure for whatever reasons you chose to study here, you will agree that once here, you felt part of a community, part of a family. And I am sure that because of this, you will all be excellent ambassadors for our university. I am in no doubt that you will all go out into the world and do some extraordinary things. My message to you is, success is a journey, not a destination. You will have ups and downs over the years, but remember to be kind to yourself throughout it all. Congratulations and good luck. Thank you.
Anrhydeddus Isganghellor. Cyflwynaf i chi y myfyrwyr hyn o Brifysgol Wrecsam yw graddau, diplomau a tystysgrifau priodol. Honourable Vice-Chancellor, I present to you these students from Wrexham University to their respective certificates, diplomas and degrees. Gradd sylfaen mewn nyrsio milfeddygol gwyddoniaeth. Foundation degree in Science, Veterinary Nursing.
Tia Barrington, Nikki Roberts, Lucy Owen. Jasmine Pritchard, Georgia McKee, Amy Collings. Beth Hudson.
Meistr yn y celfyddydau Troseddeg a Chyfiawnder Troseddol. Master of Arts, Criminology and Criminal Justice.
Natalia Price, Julianne Evans, Deborah Catherine Roberts. Christy Ryder.
Meistr yn y celfyddydau Addysg, Master of Arts, Education.
Tina Louise Mooring, Rhian Probert, Renee Morrison. Nazia Ozo, Melanie Marie Bell, Martin Lloyd Davis. Lisa Clayman, Elizabeth Sarah Louise Isaacson, Donna Rose Sudworth.
Meistr yn y celfyddydau Addysg Cymru. Master of Arts, Education, Wales.
Sean Peter Davies.
Meistr yn y celfyddydau addysg gyda Plentyndod cynnar. Master of Arts, Education with Early Childhood.
Juanita Liquanan Oed. Kerry Wynne Hughes. Bianca Condon.
Meistr yn y celfyddydau addysg gydag arweinyddiaeth. Master of Arts, Education with Leadership.
Wayne Glyn Bone, Siobhan Brady, Sarah Craig. Ryan McAllister, Roxanne Akelia Stone, Rylana Ray Griffiths. Nelson Sajan Ganashwaran, Natalie Margaret Wright, Louisa Jane Draper Walters. Keely Emma McCarthy, Katie Coleman, Hayley Louise Savory. Fahiba Rahman, Emma Bridget Murphy, Elizabeth Ann Dunn. Devi Susanti Setiadi, Danielle Catherall, Dania Nishawi. Cheryl Claudia Brown, Aoife Cohen, Anna Rosa Harris.
Meistr yn y celfyddydau, Gwaith Ieuenctid a Chymuned. Master of Arts, Youth and Community Work, JNC.
Sarah Jane Dickinson, Claire Louise Bagnall.
Meistr mewn gwyddoniaeth, rhyngweithio a lles dynol anifail. Master of Science, Human-Animal Interaction and Well-Being.
Jennifer Susan Adams, Catherine Alice Rees.
Tystysgrif addysg I raddedigion gyda statws athro cymwysedig. Postgraduate Certificate of Education with qualified teacher status.
Hannah Owen, Hannah Louise Oliver Phillips, Esther Rachel Rhodes Leader. Catherine Williams, Abigail Clare Pettican, Emily Stevens. Declan John Bonar, Chelsea Leanne Dooley, Charlotte Duckett. Caris Marie Gell, Carrie Griffiths, Alex Gow. Thomas James Robertson, Rebecca Mary Cannell, Michaela Anders. Lucy Pugh.
Tystysgrif ôl-raddedig mewn addysg. Postgraduate Certificate in Education.
Daniel Rafferty. Emma Jane Edwards. Teresa Flossie Angela Matawera. Annie Lane Boise.
Tystysgrif ôl-raddedig mewn addysg Cymru. Postgraduate Certificate in Education, Wales.
Andrea Louise Taylor.
Tystysgrif ôl-raddedig addysg gydag arweinyddiaeth. Postgraduate Certificate in Education with Leadership.
Kirsty Lowe.
Tystysgrif ôl-raddedig mewn addysg PSET. Postgraduate Certificate in Education, PSET.
Joanne Margaret Gagan, Deborah May Roberts, Eric Massar.
If you could just give us a few moments while we're organising everyone. Diolch yn fawr. Rwy'ch cwbl o funudau i ni eiliadau hyd yn oed. Diolch. Tystysgrif ôl-raddedig, dysgu ac addysgu mewn addysg uwch. Postgraduate Certificate, Teaching and Learning in Higher Education.
Annette Linda Thomas, Angharad Mair Roberts.
Tystysgrif graddedigion proffesiynol mewn addysg. Professional Graduate Certificate in Education.
Summer Elise Bagnall, Rebecca Garner, Rebecca Clare Debeljokovic. Paige Borlace, Olivia Redway, Lindsay Providence. Jane Ann Reid, Declan John Leslie Kent, Clive Graham Ray. Brian Jakeman, Anna Marie Dougherty, Jane Louise Townend. Victoria Iarova.
Gradd sylfaen mewn gofal plant therapeutic y celfyddydau. Foundation degree in Arts Therapeutic Childcare.
Keith Ralph.
Tystysgrif addysg ôl-raddedig PSET. Postgraduate Certificate in Education, PSET.
Joao Loro.
Baglor yn y celfyddydau anrhydedd, anghenion dysgu ychwanegol, anghenion addysgol arbenigol, Bachelor of Arts Honours, Additional Learning Needs, Special Educational Needs and Disability.
Helen Elizabeth Cully.
Baglor yn y celfyddydau anrhydedd, anghenion dysgu ychwanegol, anghenion addysgu arbenigol. Bachelor of Arts Honours, Additional Learning Needs, Special Educational Needs and Disability.
Sally Catherine Mills.
We're nearly there. So we're now going to come to the most formal part of the ceremony, which is the point at which we confer the degrees or other awards on you officially, so you become graduates officially. At some of the older universities, this might have been done in Latin in the past. Across the UK, it's generally done in English, but because we are in Wales, which is a very special nation within the UK, we're going to do it in Welsh. Only in Welsh, but I'll explain first what it's going to be about. So LMI, the orator, will ask me to confer the degrees and all their privileges on you, which I will then do. Subsequently, she will ask me the same question on behalf of all the graduates who can't be here today, and they will then be conferred their degrees in absentia. So, can I please ask the graduates to stand? Thank you.
Anrhydeddus isganghellor. Cymeradwyaf I chi dderbyn y myfyrwyr hynny i'w gwobrau ac I holl freintiau'r graddau hyn.
Twee awdurdod o Prifysgol I mi, ar ymdderig dweud I mi, derbyn I af chwych gwobrau ac I holl freintiau'r gwobrau hyn.
Anrhydeddus isganghellor. Cymeradwyaf I chi dderbyn yn ei habsenoldeb, y myfyrwyr hynny a enwyd yn rhannau priodol y rhaglen i'w gwobrau ac I holl freintiau'r graddau hyn.
Twee awdurdod o Prifysgol a ymdderig I mi, derbyn I af I chai a nodwyd yn ei habsenoldeb, i'w gwobrau ac I holl freintiau'r gwobrau hyn. That's it. You have your degrees. Congratulations.
Wel, hoffwn yn awr ofyn I Colin Jackson ein canghellor I gair cynulliad y bore yma. I would now like to invite Colin Jackson, our Chancellor, to close the congregation.
Ladies and gentlemen, the granting of an Academy Award, well, I should say academic award, shouldn't I? Academy? Academic award. Brings with privileges and responsibilities. Now, through your hard work and diligence, you have joined a distinguished society of scholars. I would like to add my personal congratulations to those of the Vice-Chancellor and the University. Now, in doing so, I formally close the congregation of Wrexham University and the University of Chester.
Wel, gyfeillion, dyna ddiwedd ein seremoni am y bore yma. Cynhelir cynulliad nesaf Prifysgol Wrecsam y prynhawn yma. Ladies and gentlemen, that concludes this morning's graduation ceremony. The next congregation of Wrexham University will take place this afternoon. Felly, gai ofyn I chi gyd I sefyll ac aros ar eich traed hyd nes i'r orymdaith gan gynnwys y graddedigion newydd adael y neuadd os gwelwch yn dda. May I ask you all to stand and remain standing until the procession, including the new graduates, has left the hall. Diolch yn fawr iawn I chi.